In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a new default app for opening PDF attachments on a Mac. If you've ever double-clicked a PDF and it opened in an app you don't prefer, this quick change will fix that for every PDF you open going forward. We'll do it once in Finder, and your Mac will remember your choice system-wide. First, find a PDF file in Finder. You can use any PDF at all. A simple way is to open a Finder window and look in your Downloads or Documents folder, or use the search bar and type PDF. Click one PDF to select it. Don't open it, just highlight it so we can change its settings. Next, open the info window for that file. You can do this from the menu bar by choosing File and then Get Info. If you prefer shortcuts, you can also right-click the file and choose Get Info, or hold the Control key and click to bring up the same menu. This info window is where macOS stores file-specific details, including what app opens it. In the info window, look for the section labeled Open With. If you don't see its options, click the small arrow next to it to expand the section. This reveals the current default app for this file type. Now choose the app you want to use as your new PDF viewer. Click the drop-down menu and select your preferred application. You might see common choices like Preview, Adobe Acrobat Reader, or another PDF tool you've installed. If the app you want isn't listed at first, it's often because it hasn't registered itself for PDFs. In that case, check the list again after launching the app once, or make sure it's properly installed. At this point, you've told macOS which app should open this specific PDF. To make that choice apply to all PDFs on your Mac, click the Change All button just below the drop-down menu. A confirmation dialog will appear, explaining that this will change how all documents of this type open. Click Continue to confirm. From now on, double-clicking any PDF in Finder will use the app you selected. This also affects PDFs you save from email or the web. Once the file is on your Mac and you open it, your new default app will launch. It won't change how PDFs display inside a browser tab, which is controlled by the browser itself. If you ever change your mind, repeat these steps with any PDF and pick a different app. Then click Change All again. It's reversible and takes just a few seconds. That's it. You've set a new default app for opening PDFs on your Mac quickly and cleanly. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother workflow with your preferred viewer.